I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the Scout 215 center console. Awesome boat. The price on these is fantastic. You can go right on Scout's website and you can do the build a boat feature on there, pick the options that you want, see the pricing on it, and pull your pricing up and see what engine package costs. Do you want a trailer? Do you want a T-top? And you're going to see this is a super affordable 21-foot center console. This particular one has got a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke on it, standard 3-year warranty on that. This has got the leading post with shotgun rod holders on it. Does have a live well in the port aft. As we move forward, you can see you've got a nice mounting flat here for putting your electronics on here. Stainless steel Edison steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, electronic controls, fusion stereo, T-top on it. Look at how heavy duty this T-top is. It's a beautiful T-top. As we go forward here, this is something that's really nice for a 21-footer, is take a look down at the seat that you've got on here. This has got a nice lounge seat with a ton of storage in it. Look at the storage on there. You just don't see something like this on the center consoles that are out there. This has got nice lounge seats in the front with backrests on both of them. Lots of room, great price, great engine package. It's here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Call me for a test ride.